Love you, baby. Oliver? I love you a lot. You're my sweet baby boy.
Get it. Bring it to Daddy. Bring it to you, Daddy. Good boy. That was perfect. Good boy. Whoa, Daddy got it back. Good boy. That was a good job. I want a little tweeze. Oh, Daddy caught it. Daddy's quick reflexes. Boy, come on, Chirpy. Whoa, good job, sir. Uh-oh. Look at your millet, sir. Look at heavy. He's so heavy. Is that your ball? Is that your favorite ball, Oliver? Is that your favorite ball? I think so, sir. Good boy. Thank you. Good job.
Peekaboo. Hi. What you doing? Oliver, you got poop? Thank you, baby. I'll give you kisses. You're my sweet poo? Thank you. Yeah. You want a treat? What would you like to have? You're my sweet poo. You want to come see Mama? Get kissies? You want kissies? What are you doing? Oliver? Oliver? No, I don't gotta poop. Do you gotta poop? No, you're my sweet boy. Thank you. No. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oliver. You're silly. What are you doing? Thank you. Oh, thank you. You're gonna fall.